Kawasaki. A robotic arm presents wire segments to a thermal stripping machine, using focused heat to vaporize the insulation.
The high-speed crimping head cycles rapidly.
The metallic shielding fabric is precisely cut by the laser-guided table. The cut sections are then grouped and labeled using RF identification tags.
Through meticulous tracing, the industrial scanner verifies the laser-etched identification code, ensuring every conductor
Ensure the tension on the lacing tool is correct for this bundle.
Confirmed. The next sub-harness is ready for integration.
To enhance durability, the harness receives a fire-resistant sealant. The blue fluid changes color as it cures under
Ready on this side.
Okay, lifting now. Watch the connectors.
test cycle complete.
Insulation resistance is nominal. Pass.
The precision torque tool secures the vibration dampening brackets, critical for the flight computers.
Process A is complete. The module is cleared for integration into the J-10 bay.
Confirmed. Proceeding to Process B handover.
The robotic assistance systems precisely position the dense avionics racks, containing the primary flight control computer.
The technician carefully places the shielding fabric onto the avionics bay. A specialized roller is then
Custom shielding foil is meticulously wrapped around the harness penetrations. Conduct
The live feed shows the harnesses remaining perfectly intact, confirming the superior mechanical resilience built into
Axial alignment confirmed.
Rotational precision verified.
a massive hydraulic ram system gently maneuvers the avionics bay towards the fuselage. Then, robotic
Following final assembly, the J-10 is moved into the climate-controlled paint booth, signifying the transition to final finishing.
This external treatment protects and complements the internal electromagnetic shielding installed in Process B.
Simulation complete. Process A and B nominal.
confirmed. All systems green. Ready for deployment.
Radar integrity confirmed. Operational requirements met. Final approval granted.
The fully assembled J-10 Vigorous Dragon represents the ultimate success of the production pipeline.
Robust electromagnetic shielding in the nose section ensures seamless communication, showcasing the reliability of the Process B product.
Run-up stress looks good on this joint.
Confirmed. Process B held up perfectly. Logging the clearance.
The integrated design provides unparalleled ease of access to the critical avionics, streamlining the maintenance process.
The Victory turns, mission complete. 6 guarded the Aviation tool.
highlighting the aerodynamic precision and the structural integrity achieved during the final mating and sealing phases of Process B.